Hello guys and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create keyboard shortcut for different apps. So for that I'm going to use Chrome as an example, but you can do it with any other application like Photoshop, Premiere, any other application you want. So just select the application you want. I'm going to use Chrome. So right click and go to properties, and here on shortcut key click on it and press any key. It will always use Control plus Alt plus that keyboard shortcut key you want to create. I am going to use C. It will automatically assign it, and now click on apply and OK. So that's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.